Hello, our topic is squares and square roots. So we begin by looking at squares. Now, a square of a number is the product of that number by itself. For example, if we have 3 times 3, which is equal to 9, then we say that 9 is the square of 3. Similarly, 15 by 15 gives 225. So in this case, 225 is the square of 15. And 2.5 times 2.5 will give us its square, which is 6.25. Now, there are various methods in which we can obtain square of numbers, and these methods include multiplication, use of mathematical tables, and by use of a calculator. So in this topic, we are going to discuss squares by multiplication and by use of tables. So finding squares by multiplication. Example, we want to find the square of the following numbers. So our first number here is 2.35. So in this case, and by definition, square of 2.35 will be equal to 2.35 times 2.35, and this would give us 5.5225. Secondly, Roman 2, we can have a fraction. So we want to get square of 1 and 1 over 4. So the square of 1 and 1 over 4 will be equals to, so we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We have 5 over 4 squared, so that would be 5 over 4 times 5 over 4. And the answer in this case is 25 over 16, which we can write as 1 and 9 over 16. Similarly, numbers in power form can also be considered. And if we have 2 power 3 times 3, and we want to get the square of that, then that by definition means 2 power 3 times 3 squared, which is written as 2 power 3 times 3 times 2 power 3 times 3. So this will give 2 power 6 times 3 power 2. Now it is important to note that the power of each factor has been multiplied by 2.